Hello everyone inside the Conversion Pros room. Now, if you are a Conversion Pros member, if you have Conversion Pros, first of all, we need to give a big thank you to David Dubbs and the entire Conversion Pros team, because you know what they just did for us? They literally just gave us a blank check. That's right, they gave us a blank check, and we can determine how much money we want by simply giving away the Funnel Frenzy free trial. Now, David Dubbs couldn't have put it better himself. His entire team, a team that has built funnels that has made millions of dollars for companies, millions of dollars for affiliates, they're going to put their time, energy, and effort, and they're going to design a funnel for free for anyone who takes a free trial on January 1st. And they're going to get their content creators and ad copy creators to write all the ad copies. Businesses have an opportunity that they've never had before, and that is to get an entire funnel of their dreams designed for any business that they want. Now, if we are not taking advantage of that, you know what we're doing? We're literally taking the blank check and we're tearing it up. This is what you're doing if you're not a member of Conversion Pros. You're literally just tearing up a blank check that they've given you to write for yourself. So in order to take advantage of this, folks, if you are not a member of Conversion Pros, I highly encourage you to get back to the person who showed you Conversion Pros or the person who gave you the free trial and make sure you upgrade and become a member. Remember, you can't take advantage of the blank check if you're not a member. So don't tear up this blank check that David Dubbs and the Conversion Pros family has given you in the form of this free promotion. Make sure you become a member and get it out to all your Facebook friends. Remember, you have nothing to lose. You don't have anything to sell. Again, you can't sell free. All you got to do is give it away. They're basically giving you $6,000 or more worth of services and value to give away. And just for giving it away, again, you get to write yourself a blank check in the amount that you want every month. So what I've done is I've actually spent close to about $800 making a video with the graphics. And I'm actually using that video today. So what I'm going to do probably tomorrow is I'm going to put this video on an unbranded YouTube channel, and I'm going to give a share code tomorrow in this group. And if you want to use it, then you definitely can. I would highly encourage you to become a member to use it, because if someone signs up, you get 30, 40 people sign up, you're not a member, you won't be able to get that income until you become a member. So become a member, use the share code that I'm going to give you tomorrow, and start filling out your blank check that I would say, figuratively speaking, that we're getting with this promotion. So the reason why I'm not giving it away today, because I need to get a head start on all you guys. And I'm trying to tell you now, if you don't promote this to your friends, if you don't become a member, and you find that they've already signed up for Conversion Pros, it's because of people like me, people like William, or people who are in this Conversion Pros group and who are a member of Conversion Pros. Well, they see the value and they're just going to take advantage of it with ads and everything. So I placed an ad on Facebook and I'm targeting over 30,000 people. Some of those people may be on your Facebook wall, but again, you want to definitely take advantage of it, because you have people on your Facebook friends list who have a business. If they don't have a business, maybe they just want to make money. There is no easier way to make money than doing this. Like I said in my video, I don't think you can make money any faster if you were printing it yourself. So if you're in Conversion Pros, become a member right now. As a matter of fact, you probably should have become a member when you heard me talking about the blank check, because you're literally tearing it up if you're not becoming a member. So become a member right now, get back to the person who referred you, and take advantage of this special promotion, because my God, can you imagine how many people are going to jump on this? There are businesses that have never had a funnel built for them in their entire life for free. There are people who are in multi-level marketing deals. They can't get a lead if someone just gave them leads, and they still can get them. They need a funnel. They need a funnel bad. And the reason why they haven't pursued getting a funnel is, number one, they don't know how to make them. Number two, they probably don't want to take the time to do it. And the fact that you now have professionals custom designing your dream funnel. I mean, this is like a giveaway. You ever seen Oprah Winfrey when she gave a car away? Like, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car. They're basically saying, you get a funnel, you get a funnel, you get a funnel, you get a funnel. Everyone gets a funnel. So, you know, the great thing about this is we get the benefit off of it, because when those people get those funnels, I can guarantee that probably, I would say, if they're smart, they wouldn't throw away $6,000 worth of work. A lot of them are going to keep their funnel because they don't want to lose what has been built and what works for them. And so again, when they keep it, that's your blank check right there. So folks, become a member, get signed up, and promote this thing immediately. My name is Melvin Crawley. I'm signing out, and I hope you take advantage of the special. Get back to the person who has given you the free trial, or get back to the person who literally recruited you, and tell them that you want their sign-up link and become a member. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow with the share code, and definitely take advantage of the funnel. I've already made one. I'm using it myself, and I will give you guys a link. I just need to put it on an unbranded channel. And remember, when I give you the share code, take out the link that's already in there and put in yours. As a matter of fact, I'm going to duplicate this with no link in there, so this way you don't have to click on the link by accident. You can just go in there and edit and put your funnel link in there to your Conversion Pros sign up page. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. And again, the reason why I'm not doing it tonight, because I need to get a head start on you guys, because I know how fast some of you guys are, and I need to just make sure I get a little lead on you guys. So become a member, and tomorrow I will have the share code out. Thanks.